So the 1990 about roof is now off, and we are back to the original roof that was probably put on in 1800s, probably 1875 we're guessing, although the house was built before that. It was built in 1854 from our records. I'm pretty sure that was the year. 1850s, we'll say that. And then in the 1870s, I think 77, 78, 76, right in there, they did a major overhaul on the house. So we don't know. This could have been added at that point. So I think it's time to go get the buckets, start doing some cleanup. And then we probably have to remove the old roof. Although I'm not sure if we can stand on everything here, but we'll figure that out. And then we have to start our new roof, which is going to have to be contoured different than this. You can't have the water going against the building over there, so it's got to come this way. But we do want it more of a look like that, more of the original, so a halfway in between look. And then we have some siding repair. We got a lot of repair here. We have to first remove everything and then start our repair.